Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. Good health and very happiness. You have a lot of fun in your life. It's me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest collection of maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Many much more. Different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut. Hair dye. Many much more stylish ideas of low maintenance hairstyle. For girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. Fine hairstyle. Messy hairstyle. Collection of spiky hairstyle. Spike with undercut. So beautiful ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut. Haircut, wedge haircut. and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, some ideas step. So beautiful ideas of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. Some ideas, funky colors. And so attractive collection of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, key colors, and many much more beautiful and latest collection. Trendy ideas of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut. The moment you see in this video, I hope you like it. So try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. New on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video your friends, your family members and others. Please support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your helps. I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. And thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care of yourself and take care of your loved ones and those around you. I hope you do it. Bye bye.